Hi beautiful humans, it's Em, and I just wanted to pop in and tell you why you should make art even if you're not good at it. There's a lot of videos on here telling people that they should make YouTube videos even if they're not building a subscriber count, but I'm here to say make art even if you're not good at it. Why? Because the neuroaesthetic science is in. It benefits your health. Just like going for a walk in the sunshine like I am, just like engaging in nature and beautiful greenery like this beautiful park I'm in. Making art makes you feel better. It activates your parasympathetic nervous system. It calms you down. If you can listen to some beautiful music while you're doing it, drink a cup of tea, you are adding to the benefits for your well-being. So splash that paint around, get out a piece of paper and doodle. It's good for you.